If you've ever wanted to search smarter in Chrome without opening a bunch of tabs or digging through menus, this tutorial is going to help a lot. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Chrome Contextual Search in the address bar, including custom site search keywords and Chrome's built-in context shortcuts. This is a fast way to search your tabs, bookmarks, history, and even specific websites right from the Omnibox. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple browser tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, let's look at custom site search keywords. This is useful when you want Chrome to search a specific website instantly, like Amazon, YouTube, or Wikipedia, without first opening that website and using its search bar. To set this up, open Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left sidebar and click Search Engine. Inside the Search Engine section, you'll see options related to how Chrome handles searches from the address bar. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may need to click a Change button or Manage Search Engines to edit your search providers. Select a search engine option, such as Google, and set it as your default if needed. This step helps make sure Chrome is using the search engine settings you want while you create or adjust your contextual search shortcuts. Next, let's move to Chrome's built-in global context shortcuts. These are the really powerful ones because they let you search specific environments straight from the address bar. To start, open a new tab, then press Ctrl+L on Windows or Command+L on Mac to jump your cursor directly into the address bar. This saves time and gets you ready to search immediately. Now type one of Chrome's contextual tokens. If you type @tabs, Chrome will search across all currently open tabs. This is extremely useful when you've got a lot of pages open and can't remember which tab had the article, tool, or video you were looking at. If you type @bookmarks, Chrome will search through your saved bookmarks, so you can quickly find a page you saved earlier. If you type @history, Chrome will search your local browsing history, which is great if you want to return to a site you visited recently but forgot to bookmark. And if you type @Gemini, Chrome will activate Google's AI Assistant mode directly in the address bar. This gives you a more assisted search experience, depending on how your Chrome setup is configured. After typing any of these tokens, press Space or Tab. You'll notice the address bar badge change to reflect the context you selected. That visual change is important because it confirms that Chrome is now searching within that specific category instead of doing a normal web search. After that, type your keyword or phrase and press Enter. Chrome will now search strictly within that context. So instead of searching the entire web, you're narrowing the search to tabs, bookmarks, history, or the AI-assisted mode. This makes your searches faster, cleaner, and much more precise. Here's a quick example. If you want to find a page you already opened earlier today, type @history, press space, then type part of the page title or website name. If you want to find a saved article, type @bookmarks and then your search term. If you're trying to locate one of several tabs, type @tabs and search for the page name. Once you get used to this, it feels like Chrome has a built-in command bar for everything you do. So to recap, you can use custom site search keywords for specific websites, and you can use Chrome's built-in contextual tokens for tabs, bookmarks, history, and Gemini-style search modes. Together, these tools make the address bar way more powerful than a simple place to type URLs. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Chrome tips, productivity shortcuts, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.